Hi, I'm Michael Romine with Houston Grass. If you're looking for sod installation in Missouri City, Texas, you're in the right place. We serve Missouri City and the surrounding Fort Bend County area with premium Texas-grown turf grass. The best grass for your yard depends on your sunlight, shade, and how you plan to use the space. We offer Raleigh St. Augustine, Palmetto St. Augustine, Cobalt St. Augustine, Tifway 419 Bermuda, and Zoysia options like Palisades, Emerald, and Cavalier. If your yard has shade, Palmetto or Cobalt may be the best fit. If you want something durable and easy to care for and more sun, Raleigh or Palisades may be a great choice. And if you need a tough grass for full sun and heavier traffic, Tifway 419 Bermuda is often a strong option. We also work with homeowners in communities like Sienna, Riverstone, Quail Valley, Lake Olympia, and Hunters Glen. In many of these neighborhoods, HOA rules may affect what grass you can use in the front yard, so it's always a smart idea to check those rules before you choose. If you're not sure what to do, we can help you find the best solution for your specific situation. At Houston Grass, we help you choose the right grass and get your lawn started the right way. If you're ready to improve your Missouri City lawn, give us a call or request a quote online.